Good morning, folks. Welcome back to another episode of Third Day Angling. Today I'm over here at the Dobson Library Pond, throwing around a jerkbait today from Copper State Baits. It's like a purple and orange translucent. Call it the Phoenix Sun Special. Take a look at that thing. We're gonna throw around a jerkbait for a little bit. It's been a little bit since I've been out here fishing, so we're gonna give it a shot and see what's out here popping. It's been a little bit since I've been out to this pond. I haven't had much luck the last few times I come out here. I think the last time I caught something, I came out here maybe last year around this time. Caught one on a chatterbait after it had rained, so this pond was pretty flooded, so I managed one, and then I came out a few more times after that and skunked out. So just decided to give this pond a shot. I may jump spots here in a little bit, but throwing this jerkbait around here. Morning. Hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing out here. Yeah, when I first started bass fishing, I used to come to this pond all the time, and I did okay. Granted, I didn't know what I was really doing, but I used to come out here and catch some small bass. Actually, I think I caught my two of my biggest bass out of here. So I'm gonna walk around, work this way a little bit. If I don't get nothing, we may stop at a canal. See if we can get a bite somewhere else. But I'm gonna give this pond a shot and see maybe if my luck will change here. Oh, there's some concrete. There's like a little concrete thing that goes out about 3 feet. And then it goes all the way around this pond, so there's broken pieces of it out here. So it's easy to snag if you're throwing something with treble hooks. I lost plenty of crankbaits out here. There's a spot I do want to try. There's somebody fishing over here next to me, so I'm going to give 1 or 2 more casts over here. And then I'm going to walk around the pond. There's a ramada at the other end. And that's a spot that I do pretty good at. Well, I haven't lately, but usually. There we go, there's one. Nice. All right, so I'm on the board. This is the first bass I've caught in a while here. I'm also in August's Copper State Bank Anglers Tournament, so I need to get a video submission of this guy. So let's take a look at this bass first. All right, he's a long one. He's skinny, but he's long. Look at that. All right, I'm gonna get a video submission of this guy, and then I'll let you know how that turns out real quick. So let's get a quick look at him one more time. He's skinny, but he's long. All right, let me get a video submission for this guy, and I'll let you know how that goes. All right, so I walked down to the other side of the pond. A little more shade over here. Weighed that bass. Like I said, it was a long bass. It didn't even weigh a pound. 0.83 pounds on that guy. But I finally beat the skunk at this place after a year, so happy about that. I'm on the board on the Copper State Bank Anglers August tournament too, so. I'm just glad I actually caught one here. It's been such a long time. So that's pretty cool. Now it'd be cool if I got another one. I'm not working the jerk bait too fast. I'm giving it a jerk, jerk, and a pause. Pausing a couple seconds and another jerk. I'm not working it too slow, not working it too fast. But like I said, there's this section there's a bunch of broken concrete that comes off of this little concrete lip on the bottom here underwater. There's a shopping cart right there as well, but just got to be careful with that concrete. And like I said, there's a shopping cart right in front of me, right here. So just kind of got to be careful. I don't want to snag this jerk bait. It's usually on that, if I'm giving it 2 jerks, it's usually on that second jerk. When I go to jerk the second time, that's when I'm usually feeling the fish on there. So far I got one on this jerk bait, James, so right on. I think I'm tangled up on myself, yeah. It just didn't feel right. Let's get this thing, there we go, a lot better. All right, now we can get back to work. All right, I tried to get out a little bit earlier this morning. I was trying to get up as the sun was coming up, but I got up really early. I was up around 4, and then thought, just give me 1 second and I'm gonna get up, and that's what I told myself. And next thing I know, it was like 6 o'clock, and I was like, darn it. got something here. It's my second catch of the day. All right, let's get back out there. Let's see if we can get another one. Oh, another carp. Yeah, those carp are all over the place. I'm gonna try a slower retrieve. We'll let it sit there for a minute and then give it a jerk. Maybe they're just staring at it, I don't know. Maybe I'm working it too fast. Sometimes it's just a retrieve. This is a bait that, oh. Did I get on anything? Or did I catch something? Are you kidding me? I caught a turtle. That felt heavy and I was like, what? Slow pause. Well, I know the slow pause is catching turtles. Man. And that turtle will go for something like that. Learn something new every day, usually. Today I learned that turtles like jerkbaits. All right. Let's show you what we went with. This is a, I think this is a Strike King KVD 1.5. Looks like a gill pattern. It's like a 3 to 5 foot diving crankbait. This is a spot though that it's snaggable. Definitely snaggable out here, but I'm gonna give it a shot. I gotta get this reel cleaned up a little bit. Well, I knew it was going to be difficult, but didn't want to give this pond another shot. I just felt like I can get at least one out of here today. And that was the case. Got it early. Got one early and got that skunk off my back. So that's always good. As long as I ain't got the skunk on. It's always good. Now let's make one more cast. All right, well, like I said, I knew it was going to be a tough day, but my goal is to come out here and try to get on the board for the Copper State Bank Anglers Tournament, and of course beat the skunk over here at Dobson Library Pond. So I was able to get one on the crankbait today, or I'm sorry, one on the jerkbait today from Copper State Baits. Then I got one more bite right around here. Did learn that turtles go after jerkbait, so I did catch a turtle and then broke off, or he came off here at the edge. But other than that, you know, I beat the skunk today at Dobson Library Pond, so not a bad day. It's getting warm already, so I'm gonna call it a session for now. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. I'll be posting more videos weekly. Until next time, tight lines, and God bless.